kids, it's Uncle D. I'm pretending it's a different night now. Back with another bedtime story, this time chapter 7 of Mother Goose. I danced with the girl with a hole in her stocking and kept her heel a-rocking. And her heel kept a-rocking. I danced with the girl with the hole in her stocking. We danced by the light of the moon. Bluebells, cockle shells, Evie ivy over. Mother's in the kitchen doing a bit of stitching. Baby's in the cradle playing with a rattle. A rickety stick, a walking stick, 1, 2, 3. That was kind of freestyle. Stream of consciousness. Mademoiselle, she went to the well. She didn't forget her soap and towel. She washed her hands, she wiped them dry. She said her prayers and jumped up high. Tinker, tailor, soldier, sailor, rich man, poor man, plowboy, thief. That's not the way I heard it. I heard beggar man. What's a plowboy? Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater, had a wife and couldn't keep her. He put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well. Stavey my lady's oatmeal, grind my lady's flour, put it in a chestnut and let it stand an hour. My father's a king and my mother's a queen, my 2 sisters are all dressed in green. Of course they're dressed in green. Suki, you shall be my wife, and I will tell you why. I have got a little pig, and you have got a sty. I've got a dun cow, and you can make good cheese. Suki, will you marry me? Say yes, if you please. Not very romantic, is it? Pragmatic. The Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts, all on a summer's day. The Knave of Hearts, he stole the tarts, and took them clean away. He's in trouble. I'm gonna tell on you. Down in the valley where the green grass grows, there's a pretty maiden, she grows like a rose. She grows, she grows, she grows so sweet. She sings for her true love across the street. Tommy, Tommy, will you marry me? Yes, love, at 3:30. Ice cakes, spice cakes, all for tea. We'll have a wedding at 3:30. They must be going to the Justice of the Peace. Either that or they're in Las Vegas. Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see what Tommy can buy. A penny white loaf, a penny white cake, and a 2-penny apple pie. Lucky Tommy. As I was walking through the city at 8:30 at night, I met there a Spanish lady washing out her clothes at night. First she rubbed them, then she scrubbed them, then she hung them out to dry, then she laid her hands upon them, said, I wish my clothes were dry. Existential. Away down east, away down west, away down Alabama, the only girl that I love best, her name is Susanna. Anna. Come crow, go crow, baby sleeping sound, and the wild plum grows in the jungle, only a penny a pound. Only a penny a pound, Baba, only a penny a pound. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Tune in tomorrow, wink wink, because it'll actually be just later tonight, for the 8th and final chapter of Mother Goose. Until then, this is your old pal Uncle D saying sweet dreams and good night.